easy shrimp and lemon rice serves 2 and has just 420 calories. Swap in brown rice to keep it under 400. Looking for a lighter meal? Enjoy the shrimp or rice on its own. You can also switch things up with chicken instead. With just a few ingredients, this dish is simple, healthy, delicious, and totally customizable. If you enjoyed this dish, I encourage you to explore my other videos and subscribe for new content every week. I have included the links to the rice I used and the recipe ingredients in the description below for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.